Namaste, children. Welcome back to EVS class. Children, today let us learn about some of the traffic rules. Okay, see what are these? Have you seen these board anywhere? Have you seen these boards anywhere? This have you seen? I hope some of these you might have seen. Isn't it, children? You have seen several signboards by the side of the roads while traveling or walking along the road. Isn't it, children? There will be no right turn, no left turn, no horn, and vehicles should not enter. Like that, there will be many signboards, isn't it? So, what does this signboard indicate? Let us see. Okay. See here, look here. Here is a policeman. Okay, children. Policeman will be standing in the center where the circle comes. You all know what is a circle. It is surrounded by the many roads will connect, and in the center the circle is formed. There the policeman stands and he will control the traffic. So let us see here the lesson. Okay, children. Here this is a lesson. This is the children like Savita, Fatima, Neeraj, Mary, and also their teacher. Here you can see this. The teacher, along with teacher, four children named Savita, Fatima, Neeraj, Mary. They are standing on the footpath of the city road. Footpath. This is the footpath where they are standing. Okay. So, here we saw, isn't it? Here is a policeman. He is controlling the movement of the vehicles. See, all together, if the vehicles come, what will happen? The accidents occur, isn't it? So, the policeman, he is controlling. He is showing his hand. With his hand, if they have to stop, they should stop. If they'll have to go, they can move. Like this. Otherwise, this and this, they will get accident. Here, these gets accident if he does not control the signal. Nowadays, we have all signal lights everywhere in the corners. Okay. But the policeman also will be there where there is no traffic signal lights. Okay, children. So let us see what these children are asking the teacher and what the teacher is answering. Let's read this. Okay, children. Sir, who is standing in the middle of the road? Why is he standing there? These children are asking. Who are asking this question? These children. Who is he? He is standing here. And what is he doing? So, the master or the teacher, he says, he is a traffic policeman. He is a traffic policeman, and it is a place where four roads meet. I showed you here one road, here one, and here one. A place where the four roads meet. And this is called as circle. Where place where four roads meet is called a circle. And he is controlling the movement of people and vehicles. What is the duty of the traffic policeman? Controlling the movement of the people and vehicles is the duty of traffic policeman. Okay, children. Then you can see here at that time You can see this in this picture. See how he is controlling. Even here you can see. Okay, by the time another traffic policeman came near them. See here, he came near them. So the teacher, he introduced this policeman to the teacher introduced himself. Okay. So here the girl is asking, so many vehicles are moving. How shall we cross the road? Don't you get this doubt, children, when you are crossing the road? Yes, definitely. So, what the teacher is saying? The teacher is saying that we should cross the road at zebra crossing. We should cross the road at zebra crossing. Then the other boy is asking, Sir, what is zebra crossing? Where is it? He is asking. So, teacher says, children, see here. There are white stripes in the middle of the road. You can see the white stripes in the middle of the road. Okay. And it looks like the stripes on a zebra. On the zebra, what type of stripes will be there, children? Black and white. The road will be black. On the black, they will color in white. So it looks like the stripes on the zebra. So it is called zebra crossing. And the pedestrians means the people who walk on foot, they are called pedestrians. People who walk on foot, they should cross the road only at the zebra crossing. You can see here where the people are crossing. Can you see here, children? See, the people are crossing from the zebra crossing. When the signal light shows them to cross, only then they must cross. Okay, children? So, this is called zebra. The white stripes on the road, that is called as zebra crossing. People who walk on foot, they should cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Okay, children? Thank you.